Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create menu bar in WordPress with Elementor. So friends, you can see this is my WordPress website, my digital guide, and we will create menu bar like this with Elementor. Okay, you can see this is my site logo and this is menu item and this is search bar. Okay, so we will create here menu bar like this. So go to WordPress dashboard here. So you can see this is my WordPress dashboard. We can create, I have installed Elementor plugin here. We can create a new template from here, or we can create new page. Okay, so let me show you template, create new template. Click on add new. So here we will select here page name like footer, header. We will select here header. Okay, template name test menu. Okay, now create a template. Now it's loading Elementor. So friends, you can see this is a template here, pro template. If you have Elementor Pro, you can select this already created template here. So I'm not going to select this. So we're going to create new template. So friends, you can see this is my Elementor here. Okay, Elementor. So friends, we will create new menu like this. Okay, like this. So we have a three section: section 1 logo, section 2 menu, and section 3 search bar. Okay, so we have to add section here like 3 column. Okay, so first column for logo, second for menu, and third for so we will provide a width for this logo. For logo we will provide width here like 30, 60 and 10. Okay, 30. For this we will provide 60, 60, and for this we will provide 10. Okay, 10 here, only 10. Okay, here we will insert logo here. So you can see 30, 60 and 10 width. Okay, now on this section we will add logo. So you can see here site logo, drag and drop. It will add your site logo by default. So you can see this is your site logo. Okay, now here we have to add no menu. So type your search here no and no menu. Select and add here. So footer you have to select your menu, primary menu, main menu. Okay, you can increase or decrease size here of this menu. Okay, like top to bottom, left, right. Main menu, layout horizontal, vertical or drop down. If you want to select vertical, so it will look like this. If you want to use drop down, it will look like this. Okay, so I'm going to select here horizontal, add animation slide like this. You can select here color of your menu, like some menu indicator, underline. So you can see this is underline. If you don't want to use underline, it will not give you underline here. So you can see there is no underline. Now here you can add search bar, search. So you can see search here. Okay, classic minimum. If you don't want to use search here, you can delete this column, delete. Okay, so we have to add here size here 30. If you want to change your color, okay, menu color, style, go to style and select here background color. This will be your background color. Okay, select here background color, gradient, which color you want to use, like blue color. Okay, blue color. If you want to use single color, you can use single color. Okay, single color here. You can use single color. Okay, so you can see there is a margin here, so we can add padding here. Advanced, go to advanced padding. We can remove padding from top, bottom. You can remove margin from. Okay, like this. So friends, if you want to change font color, then click here and go to style, and you can see font color text color here. We can use white color. It's look good. So white color. Okay, and if you want to select hover color is green, blue. If you want to use blue, it will show you blue. Okay, so friends, if you want to display this size here, padding, style. Okay, advanced, remove padding from top. This is look good. Okay, now friends, you can see this look good. We have successfully. Now click on publish. So now let's see preview here. Click on preview. So friends, you can see this will be look like this. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen how to create menu in how to create menu bar in WordPress with the help of Elementor. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.